I'm going to the street with this 13,000 naira. You can see it. It's sum of 13,000 naira. To ask some questions, some relevant questions. So if anybody could get the answer, this 13,000 naira will be his or her own. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Thank you. Okay. What is the most dangerous animal in the whole world?
Snake.
Wrong. You want to try more? The most dangerous animal in the whole world is called what?
The most dangerous animal in the whole world. Crocodile.
Wrong. If you know the answer, write it down on the comment section.